If you have a flexible spending account and you're not using it, I don't understand why you like throwing money away. Shoot, even worse, if you don't have a flexible spending account, but it's available to you as a benefit from your employer, you are giving away tax money. As the head of a family in particular, flexible spending accounts help you with so many things, whether it's the dependent care version or the health care version. You essentially get a tax break on the money that you put into it, and what you spend out of it is tax-free. Why wouldn't you take advantage of that? At the Financial Literacy for the Incomplete Parent Workshop, we make sure that you're at least factoring that into your finances and your budget so that you're not giving extra money to Uncle Sam. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.